don't want to tickle. I'd rather ride on my motorcycle. And I don't want to die, just want to ride on my motorcycle. Late last night, the other day, I thought I'd go up and see Ray. So I went up and I saw Ray. There was only one thing Ray could say was, I don't want to tickle, just want to ride on my